Have you ever applied for a DLT approval but it got rejected? If yes, then you might have received a very similar message to this. Dear user, we regret to inform you that your request for content template registration request number XYZ has been rejected due to content template should contain entity/trade/brand name of the sender. Please submit a fresh registration request with correct details. Now, how does one do that? Well, I'll tell you exactly how. Let's get started. Head to the dashboard of your network partner. For me, it is Jio, so trueconnect.geo.com. For Airtel, it could be different. For VI, it could be different. You can just Google that up. I'll go to template, content, template, registration. Template type is SMS, type of communication service inferred, category. Oh yeah, for context, this is I'm doing this for a client of mine who is into hospitality and travel space. So the category would be tourism and leisure. Choose header, Medpackers, content template name. So I put it in Notion. Thank you for calling. This is the content template name. Content of the template is this. Okay. So thank you for calling Medpackers hostels. For booking information to book directly, please visit. Let's put this. Done. Now, the reason we got rejected is because the SMS mentioned that we have not used a brand name there. So what we have to do is we have to do this Medpackers hostels. Similarly, Medpackers hostels. Click on submit, continue. Mismatch between static content providing template and sample message content. Okay, let's see what is the difference. Medpackers hostels. The spelling is correct, right? Let me just calling. Do that again. Medpackers Rishikesh. Visit https medpackers.com. Those hostels submit. Continue. And I think this time we are done. Perfect. Within 6-7 hours, you will receive an SMS mentioning that this is now approved. Thank you.